Now, with binary search algorithm said, let us jump into our functionality. Now, from the look of it, now we have our template here with binary search as our signature function. Now, the signature function, the function that we will be calling is binary search function, which has parameters of an array and the target. The array is the list of the elements that we are going to be searching from, while the target is the target number that we're going to be looking into from the array. So the array has from the left side an index of 0, and the array has from the right side an index of the array length -1. So when we're calling when we're iterating through the array, we're going to be calling a while loop. So the while loop is going to state the left index is less than or equal to the right index. And that is going to return a condition that is the middle index. And the middle index should be a whole number. And for that to be found as a whole number, because you're going to divide the array into two, we're supposed to have an index of a whole number. So we're going to use the math flow in order for us to find a whole number. So if the target is equals to array, which is the middle index, then the condition should return the middle index. Whereas if the target is less than the array, which is the middle index, the function should return the right index, or the right index, which is the middle index -1. Else, if the left index is equals to middle index +1, should be returned if the if the left index is less than or equals to the right index. So if the array is not going to be returning the index values, it is supposed to, if the index value of the array is not in the array, then we should return a -1 index, in -1 value. For instance, let us put, for instance, we are using an array of -5, 2, 4, 6, and 10. And our target value is 10. So the 10 value is within the limits of our array. So in a sorted array, the target value that should be returned is the index of 10. Another scenario example is -5, 2, 4, 6, and 10. That is the array of the values. Now, in the array, we're supposed to return a target value of 6. The target value of 6, remember, is the number value that is within our array. So, in a sorted array, the value of 6 is going to be an index of 3. Or else, when we have a sorted array of -5, 2, 4, 6, and 10, and we are going to be searching for a target value of 20, the target value of 20 should not return any value that is within the elements of the array. So the value that is going to be returned in the target value of 20 is the value that we assigned as -1. Now, when you call this function, the function should give you a returned value of 4, 3, and -1 respectively. When you run the code should give you that example. And this is all that we have for binary search, and I hope to see you in the next episode of our programming, which is going to be a topic in inserting algorithms.